Welcome to week 9 of ICT 4105, Project Controlling, Supplier Management, Performance and Service Standards, Change Orders. Things that we really love about managing procurement. Making sure stuff gets there, making sure it's the right stuff and the quality is good, and then the inevitable part of projects that we all love, something changes. Schedules, deliverables, surprises, pandemics, all the above, dogs and cats living together. It's just a lot to think about. So anyway, let's talk through what week 9 is all about. We're going to focus on how to manage the procurement, how to deal with changes, how to deal with the things that are all part of projects, but everyone seems surprised when they happen. It's called project controlling, and sometimes it's an oxymoron. I'm sorry, I think I have my smartass vitamins today, so I'm being a little bit sarcastic, but it's amazing how stunned people are when things don't go exactly. I wrote this Gantt chart, and so it's going to have to be this way. Well, it may not be. So there are your learning objectives. Keep those in mind as we go through. And whoops, let's go back here. Um, the activities for the week are as follows. Make sure you do the readings, the instructional materials. There are 2 discussions, and you really can't start the first one until you've done some of the assignment. So keep that in mind. Jump on it early, especially since you want to get your first posting done by Wednesday. 50-point assignment on performance and service standards. This will go in the Word document, and then you'll write on the template, and then you'll write a Word document summarizing your activities there. So keep that in mind. Okay, quality metrics, your first discussion. Did the project meet these different things, et cetera, and show some examples from your own experience or things that you've learned about, react to your classmates' feedback. And then on discussion 2, this is the one that you have to finish. So you don't have to finish it by Wednesday. But discussion 2, before you submit part 4, your project procurement plan, that's the part of the template, share your ideas here with your classmates to collaborate for the best strategy. In other words, don't tell them what you've done, tell them what you plan to do. So make sure, this is my little add-on here, make sure you've got part 4 of the Word template completed before you post. And then get feedback. Anybody challenges you, you think it's a good point, incorporate that onto your, first of all, your template, but then into your final Word document that you're going to post as a part of the assignment for week 9. All right, and then follow-up questions. So the pay attention to those key deliverables. Keep in mind the rubric here. This is what makes for an excellent assignment, so keep that in mind. 50 points, nothing to sneeze at. And then this coming Thursday, we'll have Zoom. Last week we had, 4 or 5 people. I think it was good quality time. I should have those graded this week, so we'll see how well those Zoomers did. But if you're starting to get a little nervous about the big one due week 10, might be good to check in just to make sure you're on the right path. You don't want to discover you're lost with a day or 2 left. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Not trying to scare anyone, but as Professor Bauer's late father always said, bad news does not improve with age. So be forewarned and forearmed, as they say. All right, 2 weeks to go. Time to finish strong. Time to get it all together. Finish the weekly assignments. Next week, you've got that final template, cleaning it all up, and then summarizing it and doing a short video. So a lot to do. The last thing you want to do is play catch up just getting the document ready. So this is a good week to get everything caught up so that your last week is not crazy. You don't have blood pressure issues. And you know, those blood pressure issues are contagious. When you have blood pressure issues, Professor Bauer has them too. And I'm an old man. Why would you kill me? All right, just joking here. I know my stand up career is in grave jeopardy. Have a great week, everybody. Bye bye now.